Hello and welcome to Railway 187. Today we're gonna have a small running session. I'm gonna run some trains of the southern region. All clear, this train can depart. Gently, gently, we're not in a hurry. Past the level crossing. Running through Petrushino. Past the goods station. I think this looks like a passenger train speed. What do you think? Past the factory and the greenhouse, and entering Pursley Station. Now let's run this one on the inner loop. All clear for departure. Passengers can leave the train now. And here's the next train in this running session. Running through Pursley Station. Let's see if I can get a good tracking shot for you. And let's take a closer look at it now. She's nice, isn't she? And here's another great locomotive. And it's pulling this train. Let's give it a run. Entering Petrushino Station. Passengers can leave the train now. Alright, let's bring this train to a gentle halt. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.